Beautiful place.
Hello, good evening, mga ka-florist dyan. So now I'm going to make a hand bouquet. So this is a hand bouquet. This is my version how to make a round shape bouquet. Actually, this is a delivery for tomorrow. This is the simple one. Simple hand-tied bouquet. I give me simple hand-tied bouquet. I'm using only here.
So what we call that?
This is raffia.
Raffia.
This is lily,
Yeah.
oriental lily. This is spray roses, limonium. This is eucalyptus. This is the blueberry rose.
Amazing.
Lovely.
Lovely. So this is only for basic, huh?
Yeah, this is a hand-tied bouquet. It's a basic one, but
Yes.
depend on how you will arrange the bouquet. However,
So that's the way easy cut.
yeah.
Cool.
Now, just to do like this. And for the hand-tied bouquet, since this is delivery, so we have to put the water bag. Okay. For me, I have to put the cellophane paper. Just like that. The techniques of how to make a nice bouquet, you can do a spiral. So you can see the spiral here. This is the spiral. The stems you can see organized. So the flower can stand alone if the stem are all spiral. So I'll show you.
Very cool.
This is a very easy and quick bouquet. For making